In this video, I'm going to show you how to track wallets on Photon. So it's actually quite simple, just follow my steps. Now the first thing you want to do is of course go to Photon's website and then sign in with your account and your wallet. And then from here, on the top right over here, you want to select which thing you want to trade. So which coin is it? So I'm going to select Solana for this instance. And now that we are on Solana, which is usually the easiest to track, what you can do is then you will of course have to find a wallet you would like to track. So over here, as you can see, there's a bunch of different people buying different coins and creating different coins, etc. So let's say we're gonna go into this one, which is called Fame over here. So I'm just gonna click on that coin. And then from here, you want to go inside the holders. So over here it says holders, and then you can see different holders, okay? So let's say I'm just going to click on this wallet over here, which is a random wallet. You just click on that, and you'll get to this SoulScan website. Now, what's very important over here is that you don't just click on a random wallet like I did over here. You actually want to track wallets that are good and that will give you some value by knowing what they are doing and essentially tracking the wallet. So just doing it randomly like I did right now for this tutorial, it makes no sense. I just did it to show you how to actually do it. So once you've selected one that actually matters to you, just then start tracking it. Otherwise, as I said, it makes no sense. So over here, as you can see, I got a random wallet just for this instance. You want to first copy this wallet by clicking copy to clipboard. And then from here, you want to go to your Telegram. And inside Telegram, we're going to use a bot which is called Cielo. And this is actually a bot via which you can track wallets very easily on Photon. So you want to go over here to search on Telegram and just type in Cielo bot. And from here, make sure you don't go in the first one, for example, which is this one over here, but you want to go into the second, third, fifth, sixth, etc. bot, because as you can see over here, the first one is very crowded, the second one as well. There's also like number 4 or 3 or something like that, and you can even search those up. And as you can see, there we go, there it is. But this one's premium, so make sure you find a free one, which is 2 in this instance. And what you have to do from there is essentially just enter the chat. So let me just show you. I'm going to go into Cielo FreeBot 6 over here. And as you can see, it will tell you what this bot can do. And then you want to click on Start up here. As you can see, it says you are currently using a Cielo Finance bot. You want to migrate to Cielo Free 6 bot. So as you can see, I'm going to press no over here because I'm already having a connection in this Cielo FreeBot number 2. But for you, you will essentially have to press start, and then after that, it will give you some instructions on how to start it, and you're good to go. Now, from there, what you want to do in here is essentially just go to message over here, click on this little icon, which is the menu, and from here, you want to just add a wallet or token, and you can click on this where it says add wallet or token. It will send in a command, and from here it says what do you want to track, and we're going to do a Solana wallet because we of course selected Solana here earlier, in case you don't remember. There we go. And we're going to click Solana wallet from here, and then over here it says a few things. You just want to click confirm, and from here you can enter minimum amount of DeFi alerts. So this is only optional. I'm going to press skip. And over here you will have to enter in your wallet in this format. So you want to paste in your wallet and then do a spacebar and then give it a name. So for this one, we're just going to do tutorial. There we go. And there's a wallet, spacebar, and tutorial. Now, as you can see, that's it. You then want to just press enter. And over here, this wallet has now been added to your list, and each and every single time an activity happens on this wallet, this bot will track it, and you'll be able to see essentially what the person has done on that wallet and the activity of that wallet inside this bot. Now, you can also remove it by hovering over this menu button over here and clicking on list, and you'll be able to see all your wallets. As you can see, I have a tutorial wallet over here. You can edit this wallet as well by clicking edit. And then you can either change label, edit filters, edit minimum amount USD, or just simply remove it. So that's pretty much it. That's how to track wallets on Photon. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.